Different.
Hey, there you know. Damn, they call me player though. Pop my collar and get that dough. That's the way it is, cause a player gon' play the role. I was playing the role back in the days when I was youngster. I was playing the role. I was a young ass player though. I pop my collar, I roll real clean. Every bitch I rolled up, I swept her off her feet. I got her sprung, damn, I stuck it to her though. She couldn't help herself, she was sprung on a nigga though. Hey, you know, that's the way it was when I played. That's how I got down. That was the way I got down nowadays, things ain't the same, yeah, shit changed. Rearranging my mind as a man, I had to go through some changes. Man, do you understand? That was the way it went, that was the way it rolled. Damn, I did change my way, now I'm on a better road. Highway of better life, better ways and better days. I keep right back, player used to play the game. I played the role, had so many holes up in my life. Everything was right, but I fucked up all the time. You know what's up, everything been changing. Life is going faster, I can't slow it down. Do things, two things, you can't run from this old age and death. Do you understand the way it goes like that? You know the player used to play the game. Yeah, the player used to play the role. That's the way I got down back up in the day though. I was one of the players, P-I-M-P-I-N though. Pimp, I'ma check that hoe in hot side with my bankroll. Everywhere I went, I checked another hoe. She was on my team. Hell yeah, you know, I had a whole flock of hoes doing everything I told them to do. Now, we know we got to get this revenue. Come on, hoes, let's go. Jump in the car, we roll. Drop her off at every destination all over the globe. Yeah, you know, I was a worldwide pimp and pimped them hoes. You know, back in the days I was the youngster, doing my thing, popping my collar, opening up the doors for hoes. Everywhere I roll, I got to get some more hoes, get more revenue, and be back on the road. You know.